All original, eh? Yeah. Well. Oh, I see what you want to do here.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, the piece is missing. Oh, okay.
I don't know. He said Lowe's have it.
All original. He's missing like a hose here for the cold air. Yeah, just gotta look for something. A couple nice cars here we're gonna go take a look at. Luxury. There's a town car. Signature series. It's cool, the sun's just popping out. It's shining. Nice and bright. Oh, this Packard. Lighting up inside. Nice inside. Oh, this is pretty neat. Let's go on the other side. Just this is the shadow here. I love it. Love the pipes. Looks like Ahmed, you know. I kill you. He'll have a close look at it. This thing's got a lot going on. Oh, this is hilarious. It's nice. I'm getting a laugh out of all your little... this thing's quite the piece of artwork. You gotta look at it closely. There's a lot going on, eh?
Yeah. Still got more to do.
Oh, awesome. Yeah.
Doing the lights in here, and I got...
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm actually building a new tranny and a new engine this
really?
over the winter, yeah.
What's in here now?
350.
What is the car anyway? Old car? A Dodge, okay.
A Dodge.
Was it inline six of some type? Back in the day?
Yeah, back in the day, but it's on a F10 frame.
On a what frame?
F10 frame.
Oh, really? Okay. Wow, those must go all right. Yeah, you got another motor you're going to do, what? It's
going to put out 600 horse. I do good enough now, but I just want to...
it would match.
Keep me busy.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Oh, that would be crazy. But it's appropriate. It's appropriate, though. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is so cool.
And then I'll sell it. I've got a couple other things I want to do. Too.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, that's so cool. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Thanks for bringing it out. It's got to be a blast to drive.
Yeah, especially when you go down the highway. I just came on the 407 of the OT and look.
Oh, what the heck's that, eh? Yeah.
I have got pulled over. But you know what? By your grease. And they come out. She says, you know you're speeding. I said, no, I wasn't speeding. I said, you think I'm really that stupid to see you at an intersection and speed? In this?
Yeah.
And she says, oh yeah, you were speeding. She was training, right? And our trainer comes out and says, no, we wanted to see the car. I said, then don't lie. You wonder why guys don't like you. But this is the reason
But
why.
then, they do want to pull you over to see the car, and they'll tell you. You know, you'll say, what's up, officer? Oh, we just wanted to see the car. Well, that's cool. Instead of the bull, you know, yeah.
I said, let me see the speed. You know, oh, I don't have it. Well, yeah, because I wasn't speeding.
Oh, yeah. Good. Glad you got it out. You got a couple buddies here, I think. Let's see. You see that in there? There's so much to look at on this. Now it says anything 350 in it. Check out the bike. Nice paint job. You know what? The sun's shining. You can take a look at it. I hope you can see. Isn't any ghost paint on there? Mini bike. Oh, okay. The cowbells here. There's so much to see on this. I'm just looking around and all the little, I mean the flex exhaust, so you can point it up or down, whatever you want. Oh, look at this. It's got a lot of nostalgia stuff just lying around inside. Of course, this is a neat little job here, right? With the saw blade. He's got a chain on the other side there. A little. You got to see this is something else I missed. You got to keep your tools, right? You got to put your tools somewhere. In your sausage machine. Yeah, I gotta make some sausage or the bike's cool too, you know. I really like that.
Well, I just got it running, but now I gotta wait for a part.
It looks good though. It's getting attention here.
What is this for? Yeah.
Isn't that neat, eh? Sure getting the crowd. Yeah, what a nice, yeah, the weather brightened up and definitely makes a difference. Now, there's chances a guy who's got a car in there in that trailer, he might pop the hood open and show it off. Some people just take him in on a trailer and drive around here. So let's have a look. Hopefully it's got some surprise for us. Hey, I'm gonna check out a '69 Camaro. I think it was here last week, but the weather was terrible. And then we got a 350 in this one here. SS. Pretty nice, eh? Sun shining in it right now. Sunlight. You can get a really good look on the inside of the interior. That looks good. Yeah, we got the doggies out. Taking the little doggy for a walk. Wow, it really brightened up. What a nice night so far. Hopefully we'll get more cars coming.